Uh-oh. Made a little bit of a mess. This is my first time using it. I set it for cappuccino. I'm making a mess. I hope I have enough milk. I may end up speeding this video up since it's going a little slow. It's my second time using it. Third time using it. This is my third time using it, so it's coming out darker. I said the first few times would be a little lighter. It's grinding the coffee beans. I saw some reviews that said that it didn't come out hot enough. I feel like it comes out very hot. I'm pleased that it, at the temperature it comes out in. To me, it's hot, but it's not boiling, burning my tongue hot. I just have to blow it a little bit, and it's hot. It's perfect, and it does come out a little too hot because I have to blow it. You know, I blow it a little bit, and I'm good to go. And I'm actually enjoying my own cappuccino as I make this. I have put this one as a double. Hope it doesn't overflow. Uh-oh. Oh no. Please stop. Okay, I'm gonna have to stop it. So I hit the stop button and it said enjoy. It's still going. Oh no. Oh no. I hit the stop button. Ah. Should have used a bigger mug. I love it though. I'm having a lot of fun with this machine, I have to say. When you first turn it on, it shoots out a little bit of water. So here is how you can select which type. Right now it's set to coffee. Here is where you can change the settings for the coffee. Double shot, ground coffee. This compartment is for ground coffee. This is for the coffee beans. Let's see. Coffee beans. Mild, regular. And this is for every setting. You get these choices. And then if you wanted to do 2 cups, you just select, oh wait, not possible ground coffee, that's right. So like mild, you could do 2 cups. This changes the sizes. And then they all have their own sizes that they can do. And then if you want more options, and again, even with like the flat white, you can cycle through using this button to select what you want. And the same thing with the sizes, would adjust here. I'm gonna cycle through the more to get milk froth. I wanna clean this internally, even though I did it through my sink. Just to make sure that everything inside is cleaned out, I'm gonna run a milk froth option brisk with clear water to clean it before I turn it off for the night. And I already washed everything internally, this internal compartment here, and I did hand wash this, but I just want to do this just because I'm paranoid and I'm extra like that. Oh, I forgot to check the size for the milk froth, but I'm sure whatever will be fine. Because again, this is just for cleaning. Says enjoy. And I'll just turn it off. So I like that it's pretty straightforward and easy to use. I'm really pleased with it. This is the water compartment here. They also brought, it included a filter, and you have to replace the filter every 2 months. And I still, I had filled it to the max, and I still have a little bit of water left after using it a bunch of times. There is an option though to not use a filter. You just have to then adjust the settings to make sure that the filter, you select the no filter option. But if you, I gotta double check the manual. Well, you should double check the manual. I believe if you use the no filter option, you have to use filtered water. But I have filtered water already, so I don't know if I'm gonna be using the optional, be replacing the filters. So that's it. I'm very pleased. It works great. Very pleased.